guys, and welcome to a new video.
Note for students, enjoy some everyday useful caps in context. For English definitions, check the description below. Not for others, enjoy, that's all.
Are you tired of folding your scarves? Is your drawer or shelf a king-size mess? Are you scared of tidying things up? Cause you know for sure it'll end up untidy again, so why bother myself? Or are you just lazy? If your answer is yes to any of the previous questions, then you're welcome. Let's solve them all. Yes! Today, my friend Nazmiya is here to help me. Hey Naz, thanks for tuning in.
Hey Taz, thanks for having me. So what are we up to today?
Well, I have those tiny underscarves that I put on every day, and it's been a battle. Me tidying them up, folding them neatly, and then the same me the next day finding them messy. And for no reason kinda smelly. I mean, what brought this onion here? Anyway, one day I had a really bad day.
Isn't every day just another bad day? Duh.
Naz, please, no negative energy here. Anyway, I got home and took my scarf off and found the drawer I cleaned up just yesterday messy again. And I was like, nah, not today. Nah, not today.
BTS again. Can we just get to the DIY, please? Isn't this why we're here?
Yes, you're right. So it's basically not only not today, it's not any day, it's never. To conquer the battle against the underscarves or headbands, scarves, ties, or any teeny tiny items, Cadbury, not you, babe. Sorry. In this video, we're gonna make an easy, affordable, 3-step DIY. And for that, we need a hanger. Everybody has them, I guess. Clothespins, most of us have them, I guess. And a ribbon or a string or anything of that sort. Yeah, you might need to get one.
Excuse me, I have a quick question. Can I use my skirt hangers for this?
Yes, Naz, you can. And let's get down to business. Step 1. Tie a knot around the end of the hanger. Tie it very well. Step 2. Insert the ribbon inside the clothespins, like that. Doop, 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 doop. Step 3. Tie another knot around the other end and ta-da!
Wait, is that it?
Yes, Naz, I told you, it's a 3-step DIY.
So we're done? And I get up early and fully prepared myself? And that's it?
Sorry, Naz, I thought you like easy DIYs.
Oh, whatever.
Anyway, I hung all my underscarves and added some extra clothespins just in case. And just like that, into my closet, and just like that, getting one off, and just like that, hanging it back. Well, this is how I usually take it off. I don't recommend it though. Easy breezy, no folding, no mess, no wrinkles, no problems at all. Same idea, but with scarves.
Isn't that blank blank scarf the one I got you on your birthday?
Yes, Naz, it is. I thanked you back then, and I thank you again now. God. As you can see, we're not only not going to fold scarves anymore, but also we're saving a lot of space.
Oh yes, we can see that. You hung the scarf I got you with a bunch of others, using one hanger only.
And here I use it for my very humble tie collection, suspenders, and hats. Honestly, this ain't my style anymore, but I thought it might be your style, so here you go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this easy to make DIY, or at least got inspired in a way or another. We're all set for now, so... Oh, Naz.
Yeah?
Let's say bye together in the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye!
Bye!
Naz, I said together.
Sorry, you were fast.
Okay, let's try again. 1, 2.
Bye!
Dude, I said in the count of 3, not before the 3.
Sorry. I will say it faster so I could catch up with you, because you were fast in the first time.
Though I wasn't fast, but fine. Here's one last time. 1, 2, 3. Bye!
We finally made it. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit like. We love you.